Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be short, hopefully. I am going to be replacing my homemade milk crate bed frame with a proper frame. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking. I think I'm going to do a time-lapse type of thing on it just to show you what it's like to move things around in a small space. So, hope you enjoy. Okay, well, this frame is a tad bit longer than I expected. And with the wheel wells over there, I can't get it next to the wall. Now this is a temporary frame while I build out the walls, decide which way I want the bed, that kind of thing. So I'm not upset about that. I'm not worried about that at all. So I think my best bet at the moment is to just go ahead and put the mattress on it and use it for a few days until I get started on the ceilings getting done first, then the walls. I don't know about you, but I like to sleep with my head higher than my feet. So I put 2x4s underneath of the top side of the bed to raise it up 3 inches. You saw that on the time lapse when I pulled it out from underneath of the old bed. And if you buy a king size frame to fit a twin size, it's perfect width for a twin. I'm perfect width wise, but lengthwise, a king is a good, 6 inches longer than a twin. So the frame is too long to slide back into the space that I had by about 4 inches, maybe 3 inches. But that doesn't matter because the center legs won't go any further towards the wall because of the wheel well. But for the moment, that's going to work just fine for what I need it for. And basically, You saw how easy it was to bring in, fold it in half, to unfold it, and to set it up. And the idea is I'm going to have to take the bed out every day when I'm working on the van. I don't want to cut the frame because in a few months when I don't need it anymore, I'm going to sell it as a king size frame. So I don't want to modify the frame or anything. What I wanted was something strong that would hold my mattress in place where I want it temporarily so that I could start doing the ceiling, the walls on both sides, and actually building a proper frame. You saw how difficult it was for me to get those milk crates out. And that was a solid steel frame from a trundle bed that the milk crates were holding up. And there was no storage underneath of the old bed. So in this case now, in the very least, I can slide my containers. These are full of food. That's just one of ramen noodles. And now I can slide stuff. This is canned goods under the bed. And have all this storage again. And it just makes life easier. So I still have milk crates under the bed, but now they're not upside down holding up the mattress. They're full of my food and my clothes. And now I've got all this storage space. So I now have a lightweight, sturdy, solid aluminum frame with my bed on it. And every day when I get back to work, I can easily take the mattress outside. I've got a little, I'll put out a tarp, of course, put the mattress on, fold the frame up, carry it outside, and the entire van is open so I can start installing the walls, the ceilings, the floors. And every night I can just put it back in just a few minutes and get to work. So thanks for watching. See you next time.